That is really low. Oh, it's gonna hit the building!
What do we want? Low-flying airplane noises. When do we want them? Meow.
Good life, with niggas for sale D, won't even get pulled over in they new V. The good life, let's go on a living spree. Shit, they say the best things in life are free. The good life, it feel like Atlanta, it feel like LA, it feel like Miami, it feel like NY. Summertime shy. Now throw your hands up in the sky. So I wrote the good, y'all pop.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. If you look to the right side of your aircraft, you will notice Flight 198 challenging us to a race. I've turned the fasten seatbelt sign back on because shit is about to get real.
Yeah, we're just young, dumb, and broke, but we still got love to give while we're young, dumb, young, dumb, and broke, young, dumb, young.
Ayo, living near the beach, chap.
Beach boys on a ride, there with my eyes closed. We're all gonna die!
So I'm in an airplane right now, and the pilot just made an announcement about like safety and all that. And when he was finished, I guess he forgot to turn off the PA announcer. So not knowing that everyone on the plane can hear what he can say over the PA system, he tells the co-pilot, "I can't wait to drink a cup of coffee and fuck one of these flight attendants." One of the flight attendants hears this and sprints towards the cockpit to tell the pilot to shut off the PA system, and she trips and falls. This old lady sees the flight attendant trip and goes, "Honey, slow down. He says he wants to drink a cup of coffee first."
What happened to this airplane? It's just gone. It just disappeared mid-spelling a letter. This is some lost shit. Dude, it just came back. It just came back out of thin air. It's gonna draw a dick. We're almost positive.
See the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. Yeah.
Don't wanna see me fall. Stephen Curry, how I ball. Gosha garments and a white 3 on my body.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that?
Oh my god.
stay back, 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 stay back. Release seatbelts. Release seatbelts. Leave everything. Come this way. Inflate vest. Jump. Hold on to slide. Release seatbelts. Leave everything. Come this way. Inflate vest. Jump. Hold on to slide. Release seatbelts.